Well, what I just displayed is really, really intense to me. These are both really good men. They're supposed to be the hard asses of the world. And so is every other CEO there. They're supposed to be really bad. It's just something that I think I should have just put out a long time ago. Because I was there for 4.5 months. And there's people doing years. There is. There's people that gave their whole lives up. And, I didn't even make a mistake. It was just construed that I did. Because I'll tell you what, as I said earlier in this last video, after 2 years, I've never done this. And I don't know why it's on my mind. Maybe one of them are very sick or something. I, I hope to God not, because they were good gentlemen. They really were. No, I don't wear a hat because I'm bald. Really, I don't. My wife says, "Well, you're losing hair every day." I said, "No shit. I'm freaking old, and I'm older than both of them." And they just, I had to touch this. I really did for some reason. Maybe it was for that 400-pound motherfucker I beat the fuck out of on. They're stuck in this mode. And it's been like, actually, when it comes down to it, any CEO that works full time spends about almost, not quite, but almost 10 years of their life upon people what they're just up and gone. Because that's their job. Someone's got to do it. They were just back. How do you put that? To be proper about it. To be very proper. Okay. And that's what I wanted to do, to be proper, because both these gentlemen, they were there 10 hours a day, 8 hours a day, every day, except for a weekend. Oh, God, there's two guys on the fucking second shift were God blessed dicks. Oh, man, Troy showered day. Well, I can't help these motherfuckers ain't showered. I shower every day on your time. Oh, I made sure of that. I was just a stupid wheelchair pusher on myself. 12, 18 hours a day, anticipated. Yeah, I was locked up. Locked the fuck up. I don't hide shit. 99.9 of people that know me, percent wise, know that I was there. Okay? And when you get that to your thick ass fucking heads, Colt was there. Yeah. And I did physical labor every day after 6 weeks. After I beat fuckhead's ass. Bam, 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 boom. It wasn't a big deal. Oh, God. I made a big ordeal about this. I was supposed to be a legend. Fuck that. Oh, I heard about you beating that guy. Well, so what? When you're locked up with someone that just all night damn long, and then when you get a CPAC, what a CPAC is, shoot, shoot, Walmart. It's a machine that don't make you fucking believe in a snore. Well, what you relate to in a snore. Okay, the other two, I did. Because that's how they stuck me with a Oh, Coach used it to him. Motherfucker, I was not used to him. The only one I had that was that way nice was Tim, that young kid. He was good Sally. No name fishing. Tim, man, Timothy Leary, he's dead. No, no. He's on the outside, looking in. Oh, you know, every exchange phone numbers and all that bullshit. And then a lot of get really try to get really close to God. Well, it's a little freaking too late for that. I've been a child of God all my life. And they call me a smoker's lungs. It's a big fake. It really is. My name's Cope, not Smoker Lungs. Okay? Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I've spoken this ton of words all my life. I love my cancer. Maybe one day it will take me away. It's not funny. It's not a joke. It's a very situation. Let me tell you something, y'all. You want cheap ride truth, that's what you got. February 11th, they get pulled. Every damn one of them in dentures. I'm going to be like the rest, y'all. After 57 years, I'm going to be just like you. So what? Oh, TikTok? TikTok, TikTok. It's just waiting in the wind for you. Okay?
One night, while sleeping in my bed, I had a beautiful dream. And all the people of the world got together on the same wavelength and began healing. Now, in this dream, universal love is the same as a lady, peace and understanding, and it happened this way. The hungry and smiles on their faces, the tired, the homeless, and the family all around. The streets and the cities were all beautiful places. The walls came tumbling down. People of the world
Where I live.
all came together
It's got a little bit of Stevie Ray Vaughan, Jimmy Vaughan, the very beginning, basically. Everybody knows all that Texas blues. Everybody knows all that fucking Stevie Ray, Jimmy Vaughan, all of them. Albert King, all of them. Chief Rotterdam. Well, I could not elaborate enough upon myself. I wasn't waiting too much, put up $2,000. Yeah, it's just like you get too involved on what's really going on. Yeah, because the other traps that door, as I told you earlier, I'm a stick man. Oh yeah, my wife will yell at a heartbeat if she's in her TV set. That's something I really don't do. I watch it a 1 hour special. I got myself caught up in Alex. Let's see, sci-fi for a moment. It's been 37 minutes. I'm like, whoa, this is pretty good. But it's a brainwash. There's 95% of you out there, and I don't mean this in a negative manner, strap it on your seatbelt. About an asshole. I'm proud of it. Thank you so very much. Did you find that? Oh, that's just try to be an asshole to wake you up. I mean, it's like, I guess probably what happened today, and how I feel about this government and martial law and the world that a lot of people don't say because they won't open their eyes. See, when you learn to open your eyes, poof, things may come to you. I can't lead you down the road all the way. But you may find something that I don't. Let's look at it that way. Cults, my name's Cult. Okay, I'm stupid. Okay, maybe you'll find something I don't find. I doubt it. I just gave you a couple tidbits, just a few. My name's Ron Kidwell. Fuck, look. And don't you ever forget that, because I'm just gonna keep coming back with junk. I will give you so much junk, which is extra baggage upon the government and the Rockefellers and the Rothschilds and what's going on forward. How about Bill Gates? Throw him in this game now. All right, so this is something that you all don't really understand, nor to speak properly, nor, and me speak perfectly. No way. Nor what? Spit it or swallow it. Barry, where in the fuck are you now? Whose ass are you up? Are you sucking my right hemorrhoid? Damn it to hell, that motherfucker needs to be taken out. I am rude, crude, abusive, totally unacceptable. But equal opportunity offender. No, I won't be back, gentlemen. Let's go to pay no, TJ. Now tell second shift, then kiss my ass. And third shift was alright because they didn't do that, but turn off the lights and leave me alone. Okay? My name's Colt, and I'm doing a cold one for you, TJ. And I'm gonna fuck my wife tonight. Just like you told me one day. Guess what I'm gonna do tonight, Cole? I'm gonna go home and have me a beer, and I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna fuck my wife. Guess what? I done did that over and over again. Next. Suck my kiss, brother. God bless you. I did not mean that in a harmful way. That's what I say.